Naglabas na ng suspension order ang Movie and Television Review and Classification Board laban sa It's Showtime, ngayong Lunes, September 4, 2023. 12 araw ang ipinataw na suspension ng MTRCB sa daily noontime show ng ABS-CBN. Bahagi ng ipinadalang pahayag ng MTRCB sa media, the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board issued today, September 4, 2023, its decision to suspend the live noontime program It's Showtime for 12 airing days. Viewers have lodged multiple complaints before the MTRCB concerning the show's July 25, 2023 episode wherein the program's hosts allegedly acted in an indecent manner during one of its segments, Isip Bata. The said case was referred to the MTRCB's Hearing and Adjudication Committee which heard the case and required the respondents to submit their position papers, following a procedural process. Ayon sa pahayag ng MTRCB, in accordance with the Presidential Decree No. 1986, MTRCB Charter, the respondents may file one motion for reconsideration within 15 days after receipt of the decision. Should the board's decision be adverse to the respondents' MR, they may appeal to the Office of the President within 15 days from the receipt of the decision on the MR. Sa kanilang official statement, inisa-isa ng MTRCB ang dahilan ng kanilang desisyong suspendihin ang It's Showtime. This is not the first time that a preventive suspension order was imposed on It's Showtime. In 2010, the MTRCB imposed a 20 days preventive suspension on ABS-CBN daily variety program then called Showtime. In 2023 alone, the MTRCB has received multiple complaints which the board has given due course. Most recently, the board issued 2 additional warnings to the noontime show concerning the following cases. Isang palaisipan sa avid viewers ng noontime show ang naging biruan ni Vice Ganda at Vong Navarro sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, segment ng It's Showtime ngayong Lunes. Sa nasabing segment, nagkaroon ng interaksyon si Vong at sa isa sa mga hurado na si Nonoy Zuniga matapos naghayag ng huli ng kanyang opinyon tungkol sa performance ng isang contestant. Ani Vong, na ginawang malalim ang boses na tila sa hawig sa boses ng veteranong radio anchor na si Ray Langit, sa pagbigkas ng linyang, "Maraming salamat hurado, Nonoy Zuniga." Biro ni Vice kay Vong, "Ang ganda ng boses mo, pwede ka mag-announce." Sagot ni Vong, "Nang ano, biro ulit ni Vice, ng suspension." Sabay tawanan sa studio, hindi malinaw kung anong suspension ang nais na ipakahulugan ni Vice, marahil ito na ang tinutukoy ng komedyante. Masyado rin daw marahas ang 12 araw na suspension. Ayon sa isang mapagkakatiwalaang source, natanggap na ng pamunuan ng ABS-CBN ang suspension memo mula sa MTRCB ngayong araw rin, kinumpirma rin niyang 12 days ang naging parusa ng ahensya sa show. Maglalabas din daw ang ABS-CBN ng pahayag ukol dito maging ang head ng Showtime, ang MTRCB, ay kasalukuyang pinamumunuan ni Lala Soto Antonio, anak ni dating Senate President Tito Soto na isa sa mga host ng TV5 noontime show na